no movement here. So let's see what's happening here. Now a little bit of movement. Looks like perhaps pulling. And look at that close-up shot of the bumper. And we got our first shot of the suspect there in the driver's side. Unclear if it's a male or female. Now getting agitated.
Oh my goodness.
Just another hit. Bam!
Oh my goodness.
Wow!
Look at these innocent
and these
drivers
people
here.
have no idea what's going on.
Gosh.
There, and that's that looks like a law enforcement sedan right there, trailing him. That's an unmarked vehicle right there. Look at, you see that?
Yes.
And they're trailing this suspect. So dangerous here. Diamond Bar Boulevard, 60 miles an hour through moderate to heavy congestion. Bam! Oh.
All of these innocent drivers. At this point, Rick, okay, boxed in here. So now we have another collision.
Created by Spence.
In Vancouver and in Langley. How can a fully express your image? How can a first aid cabinet make your employees more
part is really especially problematic here is because you have to be in the network to get the warnings. You have to, like, you know, the whisper network is only useful if you were actually able to.
طوف سكا
Oh shit. Oh my god, luôn đón dẫn kia liệu.
Sure.
Oh, luôn đón dẫn ngộ. Oh my god, so scary. Oh shit. Oh, I not shot him. Oh. Yeah.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
Make sure that that one's okay, the other one. You okay?
No, okay.